Hi, and welcome to BazDaJazz76 channel. Subscribe, follow, share and like in order not to miss anything throughout the week. So let's get started. As we all know, the SEC in the US has cracked down on Coinbase and Binance crypto exchanges. Binance, Binance.us, and CZ have accused the SEC of making misleading statements in a securities lawsuit. They filed a motion claiming lack of evidence and requesting compliance with rules of conduct. The SEC alleged unregistered securities offerings and sought penalties. Binance assets were initially frozen but later limited to employee access. Binance also announced a regulated platform in Kazakhstan. Coinbase criticized the SEC for evading questions and not providing clear answers in their ongoing legal dispute. Coinbase had filed a rulemaking petition asking the SEC to establish a regulatory framework for digital assets, but the SEC requested more time to respond. Coinbase accused the SEC of delaying updates and causing harm to the crypto industry. The chief legal officer of Coinbase expressed hope for a court order compelling the SEC to fulfill its duties. Coinbase is also requesting a deadline of 60 days or less for the SEC's response. In a separate case, the SEC sued Coinbase for allegedly violating securities rules by offering unregistered cryptocurrencies. In all fairness, Coinbase took an unusual legal approach by filing amicus briefs in other crypto-related cases before the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) sued the company. The briefs aim to shape court rulings and establish favorable views on legal questions that are relevant to Coinbase's own case. Filing amicus briefs in trial courts is uncommon but has been increasing in SEC cases within the crypto industry. While the rulings in these cases are not binding for Coinbase, they could potentially be used in its defense. Coinbase argues that the SEC lacks authority to regulate digital assets and that the SEC has not provided clear guidelines, violating due process rights. The SEC's focus has shifted to larger players like exchanges, and Coinbase has become its main target. The legal push by Coinbase began when it started being investigated by the SEC, and it hired prominent law firms to file papers in other cases. These actions could offer insights into Coinbase's defense strategy in its own case. Meanwhile, Tate's $500,000 in Bitcoin has been seized by Romanian prosecutors, yet Sky News claims 21 million BTC supply was seized from Andrew Tate worth $400 million. What's going on? Sky News thought Tate owns all of the Bitcoin supply that's in circulation. Laughable in my opinion, as Sky News knows nothing crypto. Crypto firm Ripple gets in-principle payments license in Singapore. And finally, FTX has filed a lawsuit seeking over $700 million from investment firms and individuals it had connections with before its collapse. The lawsuit alleges that avoidable transfers were made from FTX-affiliated firm Alameda Research to certain individuals and entities. FTX aims to recover the funds and has cited personal ties between the parties involved. The defendants have stated that they believe the claims are baseless. The lawsuit includes charges related to fund transfers and breach of fiduciary duty.